This video is about time, is about clock, the metric time, the Peregrino Sinis time, the future chronograph, the Peregrino Sinis metric time. Peregrino Sinis time because I also the one of the creator of this chronograph. In this chronograph, the one full day is 20 fairy hours. No? One day equals 20 fairy hours. Then 100 fairy seconds is 1 fairy minute. And 100 fairy minutes is 1 fairy hour. Again, 100 fairy seconds is 1 fairy minute, and 100 fairy minutes is 1 fairy hour. No? 1 fairy minute is composed of 100 fairy seconds. And 1 fairy hour is composed of 100 fairy minutes. Fairy second, fairy minute, fairy hour. This unit is followed by my name because my nickname is Pere. No? So, there is a clock. The future chronograph. The Peregrino Sinis time clock. Time is 8:54. No? But this clock illustration is so defective because the shorthand of this clock is not pointing to the right angle, no? Medyo depektibo siya dahil ang shorthand ay hindi nakatapat sa tamang anggulo. So dapat diri sa may arrow, nilagyan ko ng arrow, nakatapat ang shorthand, no? This clock illustration is defective, no? Because the shorthand is not pointing to the right angle, no? Again, dapat diri nakatapat sa may arrow. And the time is 8:54. Okay. Time equivalent. Time equivalent. Sinis time to per original time. 1 perisecond is equal to 0.432 second. And 1 per minute is equal to 0.72 minute. And 1 per hour is equal to 1.2 hour. So another time equivalent original time to Peregrino Sinis time. 1 second is equal to 2.3148 perisecond. And 1 minute is 1.388889 periminutes. And 1 hour is equal to 0.88333 peri hour. Again, 1 second is equal to 2.31481 periseconds. And 1 periminute, 1 minute is equal to 1.38889 periminutes. And 1 hour is equal to 8.83333 per hour. No? The advantage of this chronograph, the future chronograph, the Peregrino Sinis time, no? The advantage of this chronograph, you can easily calculate the time manually or gumamit ka ng calculator. So, that's all. And thank you so much.